Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'll be going to this party named Lobster Sunday. I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me. Please remember the number one rules: to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about life with GOODAS. And please remember, you can also follow me on Instagram at curry_goodas, and on Facebook at GOODAS, on Twitter at GOODAS. Yes guys, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. I am going to Lobster Sunday. I will give you all the updates on every important moment. Stay tuned guys. Bye.
Come on, man, give a friend of family, show off your elegance. Ranger, aka Wayne Elegance, Alex Elegance, hold on, we not stop party. Watch out juggling now, here. Wanna run the new tune now?
Well, people, you know what it is. This Thursday, Steve Basement and Champagne Black.
Come to party right now. Party time now. You're gonna reach your brick yet. A 9 up here. You're gonna reach your brick. You understand me? Big bitch, that's it.
So guys, I am home. It's very cold. Let me forget these off of my eye, cause guess what? I lay down at the moment because I watch movie. It's hard to come off. I didn't get to close the vlog properly or I really wanted, you know, because some female was having the difference. Listen me. But all I want to say guys is thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with GOODAS. Be safe, and I hope y'all live to see the new year. I'm trying to drop a video every day until it reach the new year. Okay? Yes. Back to back. Yes guys, these are some of my videos that you can go back and watch. And please remember the #1 rules to subscribe to Life with GOODAS. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. Bye.